Hello lovelies, you're welcome to Cassia Naturals and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do low manipulation twist for length retention. So I'm in a challenge of 6 months. So June is our last month. This is my last twist in 6 month protective hairstyle for length retention. So if you want to grow your medium natural hair to a certain length, like twists are so good, like my hair is growing, friends. So I embarked on this journey to retain some length. So my goal is 3 inches. Of course, hair growth have an inch per month. So of course, it depends. Some people may have more or less. So starting to prepare your hair for twists, you make sure that to start any style with a clean, hydrated base is essential. When preparing for two strand twists, it is imperative that the hair is hydrated and thoroughly detangled and avoid possible matting and breakage in future. So of course I did share on how I prepared my hair before I did this twist. Like I did all steps. I'm going to link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. Like they are very informative. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. I really appreciate my subscribers, 398 subscribers, friends. So when you subscribe, you will help us to reach more audience or many people so that they can benefit on these videos. So in as much as I love sharing, I want this channel to grow to 500 subscribers, friends. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't and give this video a like and comment in the section below. So friends, my hair is growing. So once I put in some twists, I keep them in for 1 month without undoing them. Then in between I do moisturize and wash my scalp. So friends, of course, and you have to make sure that to sleep on a satin or silky pillowcase to try help preserve your twists at night. So although it is a simple, hairstyle to create, not everyone gets it perfect. So the first or fifth, you may need to practice more, paying special attention to the size of each section you are twisting. Your result will be more uniform if you make each section is even. So you may need to experiment with products to find one that best works for you. Also consider whether you can get better results on wet, damp, or dry hair. So your outcome will differ depending on what you begin with. So one of the most important things to remember when creating your twist is to begin with 2 sections that are even. If your section is thicker or longer than the other, you are also able to create a uniform twist down the entire length of that section. So you have to borrow from the other section, leading to an even twist. So friends, I embarked on this journey of 6 months to retain some length, and of course twists have been very good. They've been working well because they are low manipulation and they are very gentle on your scalp and your edges as well. So if you're trying to grow out your edges, this is one of the low manipulation, hair style or protective hairstyle that you can do. They're very gentle and they don't stress your edges, neither your scalp. So I really, really love them. So that is how they look like. Of course, I didn't want to do small mini twists because they cost me. So I'm doing loose. So that is how they look like. So I've been twisting. I didn't want this video to be very, very long. Yes. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Give this video a like and comment in the section below if you have tried out flat mini twist or fluffy mini twist to grow your natural hair. So friends, I've been doing twist for 6 months. 6 months. June is our 6th month. So whenever I put in a protective hairstyle for twist, I don't undo it until my next full wash day and all treatments are done, and then I proceed with my routine. So I also do a protein treatments. I do protein treatments once per month. So I alternate between moisturizing and protein treatments to strengthen my hair. And you have to make sure that you are taking care of your hair in a protective hairstyle, because if your goal is to retain length, then you have to make sure that you are preventing breakage. So it's one of those treatments that I've been doing to prevent breakage. And I also do pre-shampoo treatments. I've done quite a number of videos And I've also done videos on hairsprays. So like I don't like heavier products when I'm in a protective hairstyle because I avoid build up. So even when I'm moisturizing, I love hair mist. So I've done quite a number of videos on how to DIY hair mist. I'm going to link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. They're very informative. You know, of course, like growing hair is not something that can be done overnight. It takes patience and consistent. So like you need to exercise some patience and consistent for you to see the results. So of course, friends, like I have that patience, yes. And of course, as you may be aware, like patience is one of the fruit of the Holy Spirit. So if you don't have, ask from God who liberally gives it to all who request. So comment in the section below, friends. So of course, like I have tried mini twists, I've tried fluffy twists. So I find that when I do mini small twists, I experienced a lot of breakage. So now, like, I have experimented. So, like, I have decided to go with a fluffy medium twist, as you can see, and they look voluminous. So, if you want to achieve a voluminous kind of a twist, then loose flat twist very good. You can go for fluffy twist, friends. So like I love how they are coming out, and there's some length, friends, as you can see. So if you belong on this channel, actually you will actually testify to say that there's some length, friends. Like my hair is growing and I'm happy about that. And prayer has been one of my priority because the Bible says without me you are nothing, and God knows the number of hairs on our head. So prayer is so important, like in our lives, for everything, because God is concerned about every welfare. So comment in the section below, friends, if you do pray for your hair. Yes. And subscribe to my channel for more. So two strand twists, also widely referred to as two strand twists, are hairstyles created by twisting two sections of hair around another to the end section of hair may range from large to small. So two strand twists are one of my favorite. Actually, they've become my favorite. Yes, so that is how it looks like. Like they look so perfect. Friends, look at that. Yes, so I love how they are coming up. So two strand twists are, of course, like they are one of my favorites. But sometime back, like I was losing hair. Now I've known how to prevent breakage when you are wearing mini twists. Yes. So I'll link all the videos in the description box below. What I do like to prevent breakage. So now I'm just sectioning off that done section so that we can move to the other section. So like mini twists are very light and no tension on the hair, and they require zero heat. Like two strand twists help the hair hold on to moisture longer. You know, like I don't use heat in my regiment, and I've done quite a number of videos on how you can actually, stretch your hair without using heat. I'm going to link them in the description box below. So like I'm starting off on hair which is naturally stretched, friends, without using any heat. This will also help like your hair to keep it tangle free. There are low maintenance hairstyles which allow the hair to rest as there is less manipulation coupled with better moisture, which causes hair to break less. So with all of these benefits, we can see why two strand twists receive high marks from hair gurus and naturals alike. So two strand twists are a great protective hairstyle because you can actually leave it in for weeks. So like in my case, I leave these twists in for 1 month, friends. Solid 1 month or 4 weeks. So once I'm done, then I proceed with my routine. So you are able to cleanse and condition your hair while in twist. If you want to wear them for a while, like it is very easy to have access to your scalp. You can deep condition, you can pre-shampoo, you can wash your hair. You can do all kinds of treatments, in a twist protective hairstyle without any added hair. That's the reason why, like, I love this twist protective hairstyle. Like they promote growth because you are able to take care of your hair while in twist. Not to mention, like, twist also works well with combination with other natural styles. In fact, at some point I did a video on how you can actually twist your you can style your mini twist. Like it should be 3 months ago. I'm going to link that video in the description box below, and we're going to see that my hair has really grown, because by then my hair was really short. So like there are a number of styles that you can try out. You can flat twist the front of your section to a crown and leave the remaining length in 2 strands. You might also get creative by fashioning the same set of twists into an updo or one big braid or ponytail or simple bun. So like the styles are endless, friends. But of course, you know what? I don't leave my twist out. Like I style them in a way that my ends are protected, so that we retain some length. Because if your goal is to retain length, then you have to make sure that you are protecting the ends of the hair, because the ends of the hair are the ones which determine growth. So we are remaining with one section, friends. I'm super excited at this point because we are almost done. So subscribe to our channel and comment in the section below. Give this video a like and share this video, friends. So friends, when it comes to edges, like I make sure that I'm so cautious in twisting, so that I don't put tension on the edges, because the edges are very fragile, friends, and like they take a long time to grow. So like I do not put any tension on the edges. So like the twist, in as much as a twist protective hairstyle is a less manipulation hairstyle, like when it comes to edges, I have to be cautious, because I don't want any breakage, any tension on the edges. Yes, friends. So like I've done quite a number of videos on how you can grow back your edges, and products which have really helped me to grow my edges and low manipulation hairstyles. So I'm going to link them in the description box below so that you can check them out. So comment in the section below, friends, how you take care of your edges, and make sure that if you are not doing your twist yourself, make sure that you communicate to your hairstylist. If they are not able to comply, friends, then you have to make a decision to go to a hairstylist who are so considerable when it comes to fulfilling your decision. Yes. So make sure that you communicate, friends, because you are paying money, because you don't want, like, at the end of a protective hairstyle, you lose your hair, because our goal is to retain length and to grow our hair. So we need to make sure that we are protecting our hair so that we don't experience any breakage. Because you know what, if you experience breakage, then you won't be able to reach that goal. Like my goal is to have 3 inches. So if my hair is breaking, then it means that we won't be able to reach that goal. So I do all I can, like to prevent breakage by moisturizing, but not putting tension on the edges, moisturizing our ends of the hair. I've done about 3 videos on how you can moisturize your ends for length retention. And friends, like I've done quite a number of videos just on hair, because I'm so passionate, about growing our crown. But of course, I do share different kinds of videos on this channel. I do share DIY, where you can do your own products at home, and how to formulate cosmetic products. Sometimes we go an extra mile, to formulate cosmetic products. I've done quite a number of videos on facial body products. I'm going to link them in the description box below. And I also share crafts like lifestyle. Probably you are trying to live a righteous life and you are failing. All those videos are on this channel. So for crafts like lifestyle, I only upload videos on Saturday or Sabbath. So make sure that you come back every Sabbath to check for crafts like videos, which will help you to have a closer relationship with your God and to live for God, to live a victorious life on this planet Earth. Yes, so subscribe to our channel, friends. Give this video a like. So at this point, I'm done, friends. Like, I'm super excited at this point. Yes. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let loose all the sections which I was braiding. And so what I'm going to do offline, of course, I'm going to style in a low manipulation hairstyle so that we can put the ends together. So that is how they look like. Yes. So like I love the outcome. They are so fluffy. They are nice. They are lightweight. Yes. Without any heat, without any damage. Yes, you are able to do twists like without any heat. Yes, friends. So that is how they look like. I love how they've come out. I'm super, super excited. So I'm just gathering the hair together, seeing the length of my hair. Like my hair is growing, friends. Ever since I started doing these low maintenance hairstyles, without any added hair and without any heat. Yes. So that is how it looks like, friends. So I'm just showing you how they look like our edges are not pulled, as you can see. No tension, friends. No tension at all. Yes, so I'm just showing you the back. That is how the back looks like. Yes, so that is the final look. I love it. Subscribe to our channel. Give this video a like. Comment in the section below. And I really appreciate you guys, for supporting my channel, for watching, by subscribing, for those all beautiful comments. Keep them coming, friends. So like, I really love interacting, friends. So comment in the section below what you'd want to see on this channel, and I'll be glad to do that video. So that is the final look. Yes, so thank you so much, dear friends, for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.